Station 6. What we're working on here is scientific notation, okay? If I have 800 micrograms and I want to convert it into milligrams, how am I going to do that? The first thing I have to do is convert 800 to scientific notation. In the number 800, I have a decimal at the end of the zero. If you don't see a zero in a number, it's at the end. Think of a dollar, put a dollar sign in front of it, you'll know where it is. Okay? Now, according to the rules up here of scientific notation, I can only have one number to the left of the decimal, and it cannot be a zero. I currently have 3, so I'm going to move it. Move it 1, 2 spaces. There's my new spot. Cross out the old. I'm going to rewrite the number 8.00 times 10 and count the number of spaces you moved it. You moved it 2 spaces. Whoopsie. It's always by 10, by the way. We moved it 2 spots and we moved it to the left. The best way I have for you to remember it is Luke Perry ran north. Left positive, right negative. Did I move my decimal to the left or to the right? I moved it to the left, so that's a positive exponent. And that's how many micrograms I have. But I want to convert that to grams. First I'm going to go to milligrams, then we'll go back to grams. It's easier this way to go back to home base. So if I have micrograms on top and I want to get rid of micrograms, I'm going to put micrograms on the bottom and then grams on top. Micrograms disappear. Now, which one's larger, grams or micrograms? The answer is grams. So you put 1 with the larger number. If you do this, you're going to make your life so much easier, okay? And then remember, 10 to the 6 micrograms equals 1 gram. Okay. So this equals how many grams? Well, 8 times 1 is 8. 10 to the second minus, because we're dividing 2 by 6, right? So 2 minus 6 equals 10 to the negative 4. That's how many grams I have. You still have to convert this to milligrams. Then I want you to read this. Read it very carefully and determine if the concentration increased or decreased, and how did you know? And that's station 6.